Oh yes, I got the videos. Thank you so much for the videos. That's what I was working on today. I fixed the first video problem of not loading correctly. I had to do a lot of changes because I forgot about that. So the way I did was not very good. So I really had to do it another way. And the glide bugs should be very easy to fix. I'm just going to work it out in a few minutes. I'm just packing the files here quickly. The sound is strange again. I don't know why it's strange because it shows to me that it's streaming very correctly. I don't know why it sounds so strange. Uh, what I was telling you about is that um, uh, I got your videos and thank you for, for the videos and I fixed the first problem. I had to do several changes to be able to work with the project of the host or the sequencer. I forgot about that problem, and it's working now correctly. And I'm just going to send you the files now. Let me open my email here. Then I'm going to take a look on the then I'm going to take a look on the glide problem. It's not hard to fix it. And what just a minute. Okay, it's uploading now. Maybe I'm going to wash my eyes because they're starting to twitch like crazy. Well, I don't remember how I created the glide. I have to check the code to see why it so jumps from. Yes, I have to check that. I don't remember. Okay, I sent you the files. Okay, I just going to wash my face to see if it helps my eyes. We'll be right So now I'm going to check the glide. Where are my headphones? So here, my headphones. One, left. Okay. And I'll see. Okay. Oh, I have more big farms. Okay. Okay. See the, I hear the problem. So, hmm, question is, do the other modules produce this problem as well? Here's ah, the other ones. Hmm, interesting. It's not good. I have to check the code for the glide. See why it's doing that. All the modules, not just. Okay, because you will update everything. But that's a bit tricky because I have to check where my this is a long code. Let me check on the simulator first. Well, not. Let me check here. It's strange. Hmm. That's good, man. I'm just trying to figure out how to handle the glide. Oh, you're welcome because more people are going to be able to use that too, so it's always good. Mm, thanks, man. I'm sure trying. Now I have to remember because how the glide is getting. It's a big piece of code. Well, it shows the original sample where it was, but maybe you're right. Maybe it should show. I was thinking about that actually. Maybe it should show the Wusik path file instead. But I don't know. Man, this is one big pile of code. Can get lost here very easily. Okay. strange. It's just weird. But I'm starting to think I know what the problem is. Because it uses the sample rate to calculate the frequency of the waveform. But well, I I could check if that's doable. It's not a bad option. Yes, I know. But the problem is how it's going to load them. Man, 50, dude, that's crazy. Okay, I will think on something. I'm not saying no. I just have to figure it out. That's just crazy. 50. I had like 12. I think it was a big project I had, or 14, something like that, the biggest one. 50. Oh boy, that's a heck of a lot. Okay, just just a minute. I'll be right back. Oh, oh, man. Then I can see, man. But I think I could do something like it opens up a window and asks the name of and use the name like 01, 02, and 3, and do it all at once. So it could work. Just okay. What I'm looking at the glider. that it's not using the sample rate correctly. So let me check something here. And I have to copy this to all the other ones. Okay. Okay. This small line should should fix the problem. Let me check here. I'm glad I got two monitors here, otherwise it would be a total mess. Where did I save the other presets? I saved it on the wrong folder, I guess. Let me check. Pretty sure I saved something somewhere else. Where did I save it? Oh, there's the guy. Ah, never mind. Yeah, that's the idea. So I have my glide test here. Let's test with the same mode. Okay, that's very easy to hear the problem. So now let's compile the fix I did. Okay, that's the right version. I was hoping to go back at using contact lenses, but with the problem I have in my eyes, it's not going to be possible. I guess laser surgery is the only hope for me. Okay, dude, let's check this out. Maybe you're helping me out find another problem. And please, do keep telling me stuff. Maybe I'm not going to be able to fix everything at once or very fast, but keep telling me, like, oh, you forgot that one. I don't mind. You can keep telling me. It could happen that it takes more time for one problem than the other. And but I should try my best because that's what I do. That's my work. That's my job. Thanks, man. Okay, let's test this out now. The same note. The same. Yeah, that fixed it. Thanks, man. Okay, One thing that I have to mention is that the right click, you can do some fine tuning, or just shift left click and you can also do some fine tuning. But it's very sensitive. I'm going to check how I can make it better. But there's another option here, is that on the layers, here on the layers, just right click and select where's now frequency, real-time frequency change. It helps the sound, but use more CPU compared to without it. Yeah, I'm going to take a look now the code, because I can change how the, let me check here, is on the layer. The problem is that I don't want to mess up with older presets. My neighbors are going crazy. I live on it's several houses, but they are kind of close together, so it's like a building, but with just one floor. And today everybody decided to party, so it's a bit chaotic. And I don't want to close the windows because then I'm going to be all trapped inside my home, and I don't want that. So my windows are all open. Yes, they're very noisy, but I don't mind. It's not that bad. My parents is very bad because they live like one block from the beach, and on the summer it gets very crazy, very very crazy. Okay, so I have to fix this on every single sound generator. So that's, I'm going to do that first. So let's check the. We're going to just search for auto glide on the entire project and fix everywhere else. Then I'm going to check how I can improve the parameter. Let's see. Audio looper. Seems I reuse a lot of the code. I can just copy and paste here, and it's fixed for the audio looper. Because the audio looper sure is going to be using this over oversample. Sometimes my mind drifts, but that's okay. It's just how the work is very complex. The basic oscillator doesn't have oversample, so I'm pretty sure I can leave it alone. I don't, yeah, it doesn't have oversample. The combo oscillator, I think it has. Because I'm fixing for Wusik 8000 as well. Yeah, this one has oversample. Because on Wusik 8000 not all modules have oversample. Combo oscillator, draw wave oscillator for sure has oversample. Then dual oscillator, I don't remember. Yes, it has. Oscillator. Then the single oscillator, which also has oversample. Super Oscillator also has. Is it different? It's a bunch of voices. Okay, that did a trick. Okay, so now that's all fixed. Now I have to check. It's very easy to change how the parameters work, but then I break the older preset format. So let me check how it's saved, how I can prevent that problem. But first I'm going to test a few things out. It's loading, it's loading. Let's take so long. Oh, it's not loading. I hate when I do that. I click something and thinking it's loading and it's not loading. Another thing, the glide, as soon as you press glide, it should change voices to monophonic. I don't know what's not changing. That's another problem I have to figure out why it's not doing that. Okay, so we have everything set here. That's good. Sometimes these changes just mess up everything. That's correct. Closing the wrong area. Okay, so this is done. So what I'm going to do, because I have done a lot of stuff today, I'm going to do a backup. Back off, man. It's time to back up. That's so bad. Back off and back up. Too many long hours in front of the computer, of the cold screen. And that's what happens to Jimmy. Jimmy goes crazy. So today it's the 29. There's backup folder. And uploading now. I have to clean my glasses too, because the light in front of me is showing all the crap that's on my glasses. Jeez. It has those anti-scratch but I can see all the little scratches when I look at this light. The light's very bright. You can see if I turn it off what it does. Oh, there go my monitor. Please don't explode. Not today. Oh, come on. So it's one or the other, but not both at the same time. Okay, so we have done the copy. My mama had me tested. That's not mine. That's copyrighted. It's from the Big Bang Theory. Sheldon says that. I'm not crazy. My mom had me tested. If you never watched the show, you should, man. Very good. Okay, where was I? Oh yes. So let me open. Hey doggy, what's going on Doggyland? Scratching and sniffing. That's all she does every day. Scratching and sniffing. That's a new cartoon for The Simpsons. Oh, okay. I just thought you didn't know the show. Close everything that's not relevant. Come on, kiddo. I can't pet you while I'm working. So there's a place here. No. No. What do you want? What do you want? It's okay. She wants some love. Okay. So the master is the master of the domain. So we have the glide here. Oh, let me test something out here. So Wusik 8000. Maybe just Wusik station that's not updating. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, I forgot to load up the part. So it's not happening. Need to clean these glasses. I don't know if this shirt is clean. Was clean this morning, but it's been a long day. So it's pretty. Quick connect, search, rescan, select. Well, here we go. So when I press glide, oh, it's not changing. That's just weird. Why so annoying? Okay. So glide. This is not working anymore. So it attaches directly to the layer glide. I'm trying to think on something. Change it. So let me think here. Hey! I hate when this happened. I don't remember what was the size. Let's like this. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is change the thing here. I have to test if this is going to work. Oh my Cause where's showing? I have to create it something master here. Patient master. That should work out, but you never know. How is that's going to crap up now? Every time I press the key here. Yeah, I have to change that. Oh, come on, dude. Yeah, I always say that. Yeah. Oh, my eyes are killing me. Where are the voices now? Voices. Come on. Every time. Check here. If Your voices. I have to reset it. This should work. Then I just have to fix the display that's not correctly. Where are we? Oh, let's see now. No, it didn't change the way I wanted. That's okay. I'm going to try first this. That's correct. Mm-hmm. Okay, I have to check where this is going. Oh, there's a pointer there. Mother blooper. Should do it. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, computers. Uh, Here we are. Yeah, that's fixed. Piece of shit. Sorry. That's much better. Yeah, that's correct. It stops the audio because it has to redo a lot of stuff inside the code. So that's no way around it, to be honest, but it works. I'll just have to fix just one small thing and then we are good to go. Maybe what I'm going to do. Thanks, man. Maybe what I'm going to do. Let me check one thing first here, because I know I did this in another piece of code. Oh, here. Oh, well, I have to because I created this whole mess of code, so I should be able to cruise it without much problems. But you know, parameters. Let's see how I do this. I know pretty much where everything is, so sometimes I forget and then I have to look like do a search. It's not hard. So this is the one I want. This is just so the display updates correctly. Why? Oh yes, of course. Come on, update! I fix it! You piece of crap. That's not... I don't know what order. Parameter? Parameter? Why are you so complaining? Oh, okay. There's a private. Variables. Fuck off. No need for that. I'm the only one coding here. Sorry. Just talking to myself now. In a minute you will understand what I'm doing. I think that's what I'm doing there 3 times. So it works better. Give a name, then should be done. This is also not being used. No, yes, it is being used. And make it smaller. Come on, dude. Let's make it happen. Crappy little keyboard. So, hey, what am I doing there? Because okay, that should do it. Now I have to create this on the master area. Where is it? This guy. Oh, I forgot how to add that. Where did I copy this from? Again. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Very easy to create. Now I have to pass this information. La information. What was that? Logistics display event. Okay, I do this below. I'm doing this way so I don't have to worry about other presets, because this is just how it changes the value internally and not on the preset itself. But when you tweak, it's going to change them. At least it should work like that. Oh well, what time is it? I always do this shit. Actually, put the extra one. Then I'm going to go eat something. I'm starving. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, let's see. Can add more digits here because it should show up. It's showing 8. Interesting. But there's just one small problem. Let's see here, maximum's not going to be 2, let's put 1. Interval is the same. And here I'm going to add more digits. Let's start digits to see if it fits. Okay. It fits. That's it. 1. There's no sound. Oh, of course. So 5. That should give us no 1.25. Test 3 times. should give us almost 2. That's close enough. Well, I'm going to send you the files for this change here, and then you test it out and let me know what you think. I'm going to put another name again here. 6. Then I'm going to compile both files and send you over for Wusik 8002. Then I'm going to eat something. Oh yeah. Where is everybody? Water. Here. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you for helping out. It's compiling now. Oh, it's done. So let's compile 64 bits. Okay, let's see what happens now. Now I have to add this to the list. Let's open the list. Okay, how am I going to call this? Glide option. Well, let's call this, I guess, this. So this is the same thing for all the 3 versions. I have to update this list of changes and make it show new features separated from bug fixes, because this is going to be a rather greater, bigger release. Anyway, mostly think out loud now. So let me compile now the Wusik 8000 version. Yes, the glide is only for monophonic sounds. It's not going to work on polyphonic sounds correctly because it has it has to go from one point to another. So on polyphonic sounds, that's just going to be messy. To be able to do polyphonic gliding, I will have to change a lot of the code and check if that's even possible with the current code. But I guess I could check out. I could just go from. I'll think something out. Remind me of that. But it should. It, since Wusik 4000 was always for monophonic use only, Wusik Station version 7, 6, and so on was also monophonic. Um, but I could think on something. Or I also have to do the pack for multiples instance. It should be doable. I just have to check a few things out. The kids are fighting. They started to play, was everything was good, and now they're fighting. One thing they probably have to do is like one time for Wusik 8000 and one time for Wusik Station to save the preset pack. Ah, okay. But I'm going to take a look. I just don't know how I'm going to tell the new node, well, from where you're going to glide from. So I have to think something. Well, you have now the super oscillator that has polyphonic unison. Well, I just can't do everything, but I try. I sure do. Okay, let me compress some files now. I have fetch the files here. Where are they? Then later I'm going to try to compile the Mac versions and also Wusik 4000 I have to compile. Then I'm going to upload this, the site so everybody can test it out. Okay, that's good. That's 26, I think. I forgot. Check. At least this computer is super fast. Well, compared to the notebook, it's super fast. Oh crap. Forgot to change here. Okay, I'm just having to recompile again because I forgot to change the version number. Oh yes, the unison in stereo is a good call. I just have to think how I could do that. Tonight, well, I'm going to eat a sandwich. That's what I usually eat at night. I like pizza, but it makes the guy fat. So, and my wife is trying to slim down. So I try to be healthy too. Otherwise, she's not going to like me anymore if I'm lazy and fat. Uh, okay, let's compile this 64 bits now. It's impressive how many warnings I get here, but they are not important. And also I don't get any errors. Tonight she's going to work at till 1 a.m. It's going to be a long night. I think I'm going to eat something and just give up for today. I don't know. Oh, you guys saw on like a DVD, Blu-ray, or Netflix. Those days I'm mostly watching just Netflix. I don't have cable here or any good TV reception, so I just watch Netflix. I was also messing around with the Mac computer, the VirtualBox, and KOD. Okay, I'm going to check it out. That's strange. Okay, the files are all here. I've uh, what the heck is going on? It was working. Jeez, that's weird. It was working before. Why it's not working now? I just get sometimes I get tired of the computers. They just make me cry. Okay, let me undo. But it's not working. It should be working. Didn't do anything different. Hard disk. Oh, I think it was that one. It was the problem. Okay, that's it. Now it's loading up. Okay, let me create this file first. I think it was 26, the last one I did. The hell is going on? I know it is. Just have to log. Make things go crazy. It's working much better now. There was this video on the internet that say that you have to use. Let's see if I found the guy here. This beam off. I don't know how to say it. This little application makes the virtual machine run much better without glitches on the interface and stuff like that. Was also able to compile my files without problems now. I just have to check why my Windows machine is acting up. Little crazy dude. Uh, yeah, there's a video of the guy telling about this little app, and just do a Google search for that app, and it shows up. I don't know what the app does. All I know that it does make it run much better. Yes, try that one. I just hope it's not something bad because I didn't really check it. But all I know that the virtual machines, the VirtualBox Yosemite started to go much faster. Signif I don't know how to process. I'm going to check for you again. Just let me send you the email. I'm not forward. So it's beta 26 now. Batch computer 26 copy. Let me fire up again the little guy. But I also don't remember the name. Um, let me check my history here. No, it's not here. It's loading up, so let me wait. As it loads up. I always find funny the commercials here on the advertising. Sometimes there's stuff that are just plain stupid. Okay, let's check here again. Applications, utilities. This guy here. Being off. Being off. I don't know what it is. I should have done a search for it, but I was just lazy. So I sent you the email now. Let me check sending. Being off. This is the one. Here's the link. I can't put links there. But if you search for Being Off tool ISO download, you should be able to find the information. Okay, the email was sent. Okay, it was sent now. What is this tool? Let's check it out. Hmm. Oh, okay. How do I open a private? So that's one. So that's the one I'm running. I'm going to check that page because there's more information there. My eyes twitching on Twitch. That was a good one. I'm all full of twitches on Twitch. Yeah, I just sent you the link. Did you receive it? The other one is not anyway very usable. Is the one I sent you just now is the good one. Otherwise, you just do the search of those of those words there, and it's going to show up. So, am I right place here? I'm going to check it out. This one. It looks like this is the official site for the guy. Let me check this guy here. This is for anywhere, not El Capitan. Because someone mentioned that the new versions of the Mac computers use another type of video card driver, but shouldn't it be backwards compatible with the other machines? I don't know. So, well, anyway, I'm going. I'm going for now. So we we talk. Probably going to talk again on Monday. Tomorrow, I'm not going to be streaming much, if anything at all, because it's my wife's day off tomorrow. And for today, I'm a little bit tired, so I may be going to stop for now. I'm just going to run my backup files again, or I forget. And I always make copy of stuff. I have an external drive just for that. I don't keep it plugged. I just plug, copy the stuff, and put in a safe place. So let me run this first. And for those people that are watching, today was a slow day. Sometimes we have slow days. I know sometimes it can be boring to watch a guy struggle with code, but it's a good thing because then I can work more closely to what users want, and also have a lot of stuff to improve. And there you go. At least today I did some very important stuff that was a bit harder for me to. Okay, I think that's it. So until the next time, thank you again for your help, Costas, and we'll see you again. Have a nice weekend. Thanks, man. Signing out.